Hello everybody, lahat ng mga followers ng webmags.info. Ako po si Janice Xavier and I'd like to invite everybody to come and watch our show. Our show is happening on July 4. Of course, Friday po yan sa Teatrino sa Promenade Mall, Green Hills po. Alas 8 po ng gabi. Sana po magpunta kayo. Bumili na po kayo ng ticket kasi magiging masayang show po ito. Hindi kayo magsisisi. I'm sure mag-enjoy kayo. Magpapatugs-tugs tayo dyan. So, manood kayo ng ating show sa The Voice of Janice Xavier live in concert po sa Teatrino. Featuring also my special guest will be Mike Perez po. And this is produced by MCA Music. And hope to see you there. And also, please do not forget to support my album, my very first self-titled album called Janice Xavier under MCA Music. And meron po tayong 14 tracks po dito. So sana po supportahan po ninyo. And also you can download this on iTunes and of course spinner.ph. Maraming salamat po. So salamat din po sa support. Thank you. Bye-bye.